basically I was supposed to wake up at 4 a.m. and make pasta and pack it, but I slept and now I'm not making pasta. Yeah. So anyway, so yesterday one of my friends, she sent something to me on WhatsApp. It's like nature walk. I thought I had to pay for it or something, but it's free. And it's just a bunch of nature lovers and a lot of people with a lot of knowledge about trees and birds or whatever. They pick a certain area and they explore it. So we're gonna do that.
Then I threw in the plastic.
Amma.
It was very sweet.
Everything is so zoomed in, way.
Yeah.
It's like No, we don't hate it. Yeah, I know what you mean. Remove your. That's what job is. Not like barefoot will go. Snail where? Bye. Nice. Snail where? Oh, it's floating. No, it's inside it maybe. You know? I love doing this. We should do this all the time. Come on, Kriti, go. I'll take a nice. Don't fall, please don't fall. No, don't do. I mean, like, if you wanna do it carefully. Don't fall. See, put your leg over there. That's what. That rock is there, no? I'll go from. Pranami, you wanna come from here? It's cold. Is it nice? Very nice. Okay. Pranami, you're coming? Yeah. Coming. Turn only. Okay. Why are you falling? Okay. Yeah. Okay. So what exactly happened today is that basically there's this group called Young Naturalists of Hyderabad. So we went, and I was actually telling all wrong directions because that's me, and that's why we were late. And then we went inside, and they already started. Everyone there, like, were different, from different age groups, and they were so, like, kind and, like, respectful, and they were just doing their own thing. Like, I don't even know how to explain it. They were so nice, they were so kind, and just open and friendly, and yeah, it was quite fun and very interesting to go. All of them, like, were so, like, smart, and, like, they had so much knowledge about, like, the tiniest things. So first we were just looking at, like, grass, and I just thought I was looking for the thing they were talking about, because I was sort of late and I missed it. And I realized that they were talking about grass, and I was like, oh wow, I didn't know grass had so much. Yeah. So then, this guy, he was sort of also leading the group, or, maybe he was the one who planned the event or whatever. He gave me this macro lens with which I took such cool, videos, up close, zoomed up videos of the plants and all that stuff. And they were all so, like, nerdy in the coolest way. Like, they know the names of all everything. Like, we were going by and they were like, oh look, that's Saito something, and then Mito something. I think the only name I remember is some liver. No, lung. No, I don't remember any names. They don't they, like, have names of everything memorized, and, like, all insects, all grass, plants, and all that stuff. And they were, talking about the significance of it and all that stuff. And I was just quietly listening. I was like, I was very impressed. And then we kept on going and all. And then we did a little bit of rock climbing also, not exactly, but just to take pictures of insects, I guess, with those other two people who were our age, like two guys were our age. So then we sort of wanted to hike on our own, me, Kriti, Pranavi, the way we usually do. And then we kept on sticking with the group for a while because we couldn't leave so early. So then after that we said bye, and then we had our breakfast because we were very hungry. Then we wanted to hike some more, but then there was these, like, sort of ponds type of things, and we were just playing in the water. And I'll tell you guys exactly what happened. So we were just walking in the water, right, and we were trying to go into the deep part. So Kriti went in first, then I went in after her, and I was like, this is my leg, samjo, like, example. I was moving around my leg, like my foot, like this. This is my foot, I mean, yeah. So this was my foot, and I was moving around my foot like this to find some other rock, right? Then I literally felt something soft. I'm not even kidding, like something soft and round. And then I screamed, and then Kriti and I screamed, and I turned like this, no? And since the both of us were holding hand, I sort of pushed her in the water by mistake. And then she fell, and then we ran, and I was screaming. I was like, there was something soft. I felt something. Yeah, we did that twice. The first time it was because we saw a bubble, but then we just realized it's Kriti's pants, because I mean, like, she was just like, till her thighs. So it's not what you think it is. So it was just like, air bubbles because her pant is so loose. But we had so much fun. It was like, I mean, it doesn't even look half as pretty as it did in real life, especially on my camera. It doesn't even capture, how pretty it is. And yeah, then we went home. We actually didn't want to go home, but it was getting quite late, and we were getting quite, I though was getting very hungry. and hangry, angry because it was very hot and I was very hungry and all that stuff. But we had so much fun. We're gonna go on our own and explore that area more. Because we were just exploring the place, the plants and stuff. We didn't even like climb the entire hill. So it was so fun, honestly. I'm gonna do this every Sunday. We're gonna go find nice hills or whatever and climb. So what we usually do is we just hike, and then we find a good view spot or some spot which has a lot of air coming. Then we sit down there and then we talk about our lives. We talk about all that. And then we'll be like, chalo, let's go to another place. Then we go there, we sit there, like that, like that, like that. And right now I'm actually very hungry. So I think I'm going to have some food.